Do you believe that a dog can become your boyfriend's #1 fan? It sounds funny, right? But that's exactly the story you're about to see. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. A kiss is like an emotional switch that makes this dog as excited as a helicopter.
Are you helping him?
Yes. Hey. Hey, you want attention, don't you?
He's smiling! Oh.
Even though it can't do much, the dog's cuteness is a huge source of encouragement for the person it loves.
Ace, why wherever he does work?
In the moments when you reunite with your boyfriend, your joy is 1, but your dog's joy is 100 times greater.
Não, eu já vou, viu? Posso ir? Não?
This dog belongs to the man's girlfriend, but it always cuddles with him whenever he visits her place. They always have fun together, whether you're there or not. Am I right?
Oh my God!
You might end up losing your boyfriend if you have a cute dog in the house.
You're gonna suffocate him. What are you doing there?
You are so cute. Look at him. He is so cute.
This is the moment you realize you're no longer the one being spoiled by your partner. Just a week apart feels like a century to this dog.
Oh my God! What is that?
Very well behaved while being bathed. Is your dog as good as this during bath time?
Oh, this is gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles. Cause I'm all alone.
If you see your partner, you'll be as happy as if it's a festival. Otherwise, you'll seem heartbroken.
Where's the puppy? No, he's not. He's not in the pen. Brandon. Brandon. Brandon.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
So cute. I think your dog now belongs to him. This made me smile so much. Sorry, girl. Your man's been taken.
Let me hug you. Let me.
I wonder what it would feel like if my dog preferred cuddling with someone else over cuddling with me. The moment that makes you question who your husband's wife is. Even if it takes as long as it needs. This dog is determined to wait for its best friend to finish their work so they can play together. It's wonderful. Her dog even greets him more warmly than she does. I think they actually seem more like a couple, don't you?
Nope. Nope. Nope.
If this were a fair competition, the dog would definitely win. On their first meeting, the dog scared the boyfriend for an entire month, but now they are best friends.
He chose me. He don't want you.
Look, he chose me, not you. So now, he'll be mine.
Oh my God!
Even after spending the whole day together, they still can't bear to be apart. He's looking like, "Girl, you better get out of here." I've now become to the herd wheel in my relationship. These are the moments you want to last forever, like this one.
Huh?
All right, step aside, girl. It's my turn now.
I can send you the address.
He didn't bring his phone, so...
Oh, I can give you the address.
No need.
Can't hurt.
Might hurt.
Those eyes are saying, "Please give us some privacy."
Dad! Daddy! 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 Dad! Daddy!
What?
Remember to give your loved one hugs every day.
Oh no!
It's time to stop.
No way, girl. He's mine.
What's the matter?
Anytime you talk to Fanny, Chloe looks at you.
Even though he's sitting next to his mom, his heart and soul always belong to Dad.
Dug the bullets out of that Iraqi family's skulls so they couldn't be traced back to us.
Today I saw a balloon.
So this is love. So this...
She was like, "What are you looking at? He's mine now." It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.